Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. As the gentle breeze flows through the ancient forest, it carries with it whispers of timeless wisdom. Sunlight filters through the lush canopy, dancing on the forest floor, while the subtle rustling leaves create a symphony of tranquility. The earthy scent of moss and pine fills the air, grounding you in this serene moment. In this sanctuary, you find peace and reflection, realizing that, like the forest, resilience is built over time. Life's challenges are but gentle winds, shaping your journey. Embrace them, for each breeze teaches patience, strength, and growth, guiding you with nature's quiet wisdom.